Why daddy can't come in?
Cause you come too big.
My tummy is too big. What a piece of brightness.
Cause you come too big.
My tummy is too big.
Cause you come too big. Cause you come too big. Cause you come too big. Cause you come too big.
Hey neighbors, what's up? Morning neighbors. Whew. So you see I put in the work. Leila told me something last week that my tummy too big. I don't see how, but take a word for it, but I'm putting in the work. And speaking of putting in the work, the encouragement for today comes from Galatians 6 verse 9, which says, "And let us not grow weary in doing good, for in due season you shall reap if you do not give up." So don't be weary in doing good. It may feel hard and difficult and testing all the time, but don't stop. If it's worth it, don't stop. In due season, you will get your reward if you don't give up. So speak to the tummies, and this applicable all kind of way, neighbors. So physically, spiritually, if it's work, school, don't give up if you're doing good. You will reap. God is with you if you don't give up. I have a couple more exercises to do, and I'm stopping for the day. Watch this. How you liking the exercises, Edie? Edie, how you liking the exercises? You enjoying it? Ava, you enjoying the exercises? Alright, brilliant. Let's go. 2 more to go. I did say 2 more, but I think for day 1 we can call it a day right there, right? I know you wanted to see me doing this hula hoop, but that's for next morning. One step at a time, but let's go inside now. Alright, now that exercise and church is over, time to get going for dinner. I don't want to take too long for dinner today, doing an early dinner. Babes are crying. Let's attend to that and get dinner started. And dinner today is not anything complicated, just chicken, macaroni. What else are you doing? That's it, chicken, macaroni and some vegetables and rice. Yeah. I'm doing dinner, so it has to be simple. You okay, Zaza? Say hi. You want to help Daddy cook?
Yes.
Say hi, neighbors.
Hi, neighbors.
Alright, cooking time. So later we'll let you check in with these two. This is Zahra, this is not Leila. Leila did tell me say my tummy too big. So we can check in with Leila as well. And then the little ones are 6 months old. And Tina and I are not ready for them to grow up so quickly. It's moving too quick. So we're going to check in with Tina and the little ones and let you know just how they're just how they're progressing. So quick cookings right now. Ready to cook? So while we wait for the food to finish simmering down, have an update for you. So I've been invited to do my first speaking engagement to be the guest speaker at a seminar, and I'm not sure how to feel. Actually, when I got the email, because the email was sent to me and our house email address, mrreedshouse@gmail.com, I read it. Then like a day after, I said, Tina, they're asking me to talk or they're asking you to talk? And she's like, well, it was addressed to Mr. Reed, so naturally it would be you, Paul. So it was kind of like, all right, it is me. And I'm excited, but at the same time humbled to see that I have been invited to talk. Wasn't expecting this. I mean, this year in particular has been a year of so much growth for the family, like physically in terms of numbers. We had Eden and Eva coming, and they are now 6 months old, which are going to show you some updates of them a little later because they're moving so quickly. I'm not sure if we're really ready for it. I mean, Hannah is almost doing her C6 subjects. She already did one subject this year and she passed with flying colors, getting a distinction. There's just so much going on. The channel has been doing great, beyond our expectation. And now I have my first speaking engagement in November. And it can only be God. So I responded, of course, in the affirmative because I know that God will prepare me for it. And I know that I'll be leaning on Him to, put words in my mouth. Sometimes I think I talk too much. That might not be so bad. I just need to tailor how much I say. Anyway, the point is, me and my house continues to grow. God is continuing to favor us, and we are continuing to walk in His way. I don't want to say pathway. We're walking in the way that He has prepared for us. And big up to you, the neighborhood, for your support, for being there with us all this time through this journey, Really appreciate your words of encouragement that, you know, give us life to continue. You really don't know how much it means to us, but thank you so much. So I need to run back inside before the curry burn up. And I put on the rice already if it's simmer down. And we're eating, but Eden and Ava are getting huge. I'm going to show you what they're up to. What new tricks? I always say, I'm going to show you what new tricks they've learned in their 6 months. 6 months old? My gosh, it feels like yesterday. Ready for the boys now? Nah. Girl dad. Quiverful. And here are the babies that are now all grown up, 6 months old. Why look at me so surprised, Ava? Honey, what daddy's doing? But yes, this is 6-month-old Eden, Victoria Reed, 6-month-old Ava Elizabeth Reed. And that is 3-year-old Leila over there. There's 3-year-old Zahra over there. But man, they know other tricks too. So let me show you. Watch this now. So this is Edie lying down and being very sweetie. And here's Ava. Ava is sitting up all by herself. Ava, baby. Ava. Say hi. Right, so Ava is sitting up all by herself. Eden does it as well now, but Eden's belly is very full. She just had some nice little oats or rice cereal. And by the way, we went to the doctor last week for their 6-month checkup. And the doctor said they can start getting pumpkins. And Eden's reaction was this.
Eva, that's Eva's reaction.
All right.
What she love?
You should have seen it. It's like perfectly timed. Like, what?
Finally.
Pumpkin coming your way.
Yes.
Pumpkin is going to come your way. Yes. And you know, they just bought it, no salt. Right.
Okay.
Just rub it with the back of a spoon and it's smooth.
So this would be like a breakfast lunch dinner.
No, we're gonna do it in the midday.
In the
All right,
middle,
that's
okay.
for lunch. Okay.
Yeah, because remember, anything new
Mm-hmm.
must always be in the first part of the day. We don't want any allergic reaction hitting us in the night.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
right.
yes, you gotta have it. You gotta get it.
Wow.
Yes, and then we build them up one at a time.
So yeah man, Ava was elated as she heard the doctor say pumpkin. Ava was just all smiles. Let me show you a clip of them eating their porridge. I think this was on Saturday.
Last one. Last one. Eva. Here you go. Edie. Last one, Edie. Would you like to hold your spoon? Oh. Nice. Yeah. Wow. Who can feed themselves? Oh God. See there? Look, Edie. Look. It's all gone. Eva? Let it come shining this bright light at you.
So when I say it has been a year of growth, believe me, it has been just a year. These two have been added. You look at every word that they're saying. And it's just been tremendous to see that it is 6 months already. And just the family and the channel, the neighborhood. So many things we have learned, so many things we have treasured on this journey so far. And we hope that for you as well, there's so much growth for you, or you're finding ways to grow and things to learn from. Alright, as usual, big up. From me and my host, from me, Eden, who's just staring at me. Ava, who is licking off my hand. Ava is not fooling her, just get a dinner. From Tina, from Hannah, Leila and Zahra, big up to the neighborhood. Thank you and take care. Bye.